Do you feel like men can be bisexual?
Where you get them question here?
You know, it people asking these. Me go up on the gossip page and it, you know.
This is That's Trending, another episode on Currently Trending Live. And now we're tuning in live from the Lions Den restaurant, 250 Main Street. And guess what we are drinking our cup? You don't know the original rum punch by Tio, also hard from Hartford, Connecticut. You don't know the original rum punch. We have it in our cup.
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
Which one of
Because
mine?
you don't know, we have to keep it chill on some ice. So you don't know. Again, big up the original rum punch. You don't know that a Tio also hard product. And you don't know we're tuning in live from where? The Lions Den restaurant, 250 Main Street. Get used to it. First topic right now, Brooke. I could know. Ring the alarm.
P Diddy.
P. Diddy.
P Diddy.
Alright.
Are we safe to talk about this?
Yeah, man, we can talk about
Me
it.
no want get fired from my job in a P Diddy. Me just, you know.
Him not have that much power.
Okay.
Freedom of speech. This is America.
That's true.
This is America. So I mean, a lot of people saw the new video release with him actually abuse Cassie,
Yeah.
and me not gonna lie still that was a very brutal hit.
It was.
Him drag her to the ground. Him actually come openly and apologize about it. I don't think that will make a difference in terms of how people see the video already. And then him go make a statement before saying all of these allegations are now fake news and lie and me a stand on what me say. 'Cause
Exactly.
then the video come out, then him a said this. No. So I
Exactly.
think it's gonna be a mixed signal between people where did want to believe him innocent and people who believe him been guilty, and then he expose this now. People have mixed feelings.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like what you think about it?
I don't care about his apology. You did it. You did it. We don't care about your apology because it's when the woman them did first come out and talk about it. He said they just wanted a payday. That it wasn't true. Now you apologizing. Nah, stand on what you said, Diddy. You said it wasn't true.
And 50 Cent na ram for troll Diddy, you know, man.
Me love 50
Jesus Christ, man. It's like 50 Cent, nah. 50 Cent,
love it.
nah, give no breathing space.
None. And he shouldn't.
Like a man post about the same video and say, yo, see there? Diddy say he didn't do it. No, I believe him. He didn't do it. Leave this man alone. Like
I
50
love
Cent.
50.
I don't think 50 Cent. I think 50 Cent genuinely do not like P. Diddy. None at all.
No, I don't think he does.
And I don't know why.
I mean, he should. No, me definitely not like him. Me never too have no feelings about him. But now it's like, nah, you're not my cup of tea.
Jano, so I hope that at the end of the day, this serves as an example to other men, and that we should be careful with the camera there. A joke!
No, it's not a laughing thing, you know what? Oh my
Did I
god.
just say that shit?
You did, and you're definitely getting cancelled for
Be
that.
careful. Or you put your hand on a woman.
Exactly.
Me know so sometimes the emotion can get the best of we and we not think straight. Walk away.
Mhm.
Woman and man. The whole away can get abusive at times. But when the camera catch you and you get catch, it don't matter, brother.
Exactly.
If she the abusive to her, you get catch
And
on
you
camera.
get catch.
It's not what you know, it's what you can prove in
Mhm.
court. So I would say this should be a learning experience for most people. We should already know, and most people have to be careful. And also, if you have intention to hit nobody or put your hand on nobody, please use that as the opportunity to seek therapy.
Yes. And I have a question too. So the police station, them put out for them statement and said them nah arrest him because of the timeline. Which I don't understand because woman come out one day and say Bill Cosby do this from 1980.
Even Donald Trump.
Yeah, and why isn't y'all arrested Bill Cosby? So why y'all can arrest Diddy?
So here's the logistics on this. I don't know if everything vary based on location, because some states operate differently. And I don't know if certain things varies based on how involved and how powerful you are.
It's definitely how powerful you are.
I can say this
It's
though.
definitely.
If you do something and it's now fresh in the media, you cannot be um maybe charged for it if the person being in the video is not pushing charges. Remember, we have to think about it logically though. I don't know. This is what I'm assuming. She already came out and said some things about Diddy. She had came to a settlement with her lawyer.
Jaja.
Obviously, in that settlement, if Diddy was smart, that video or altercation would have been a part of that settlement. Meaning, for example, anything that we've been to at the time of our relationship is null and void. And you cannot come back and say anything to affect my character or even attack me as a person or use it as a weapon. It must have them thing in a blueprint. You know? I remember lawyer got across all of the X and T's.
Yeah.
So if she can't push it, the police them can't really pursue it because there's a legal bind of her cannot make a move, which probably make the police them cannot pursue it.
That's a shame.
So them now gonna probably come out and say, yo, we can't pursue it because of that. The safe way to say it is the time frame kind of gone, which is a dumb excuse.
It's very dumb excuse.
So we don't know still, but all I'm gonna say is when you do some things, it really creep up on you.
Yep. What is done in the dark comes to light always.
That is it. What's the next topic?
I want to make sure I not mash up his name and I pronounce it right. Is it Nigy Boy? Nigy. Proud of him.
Continental Boss.
I love it.
Zane, congratulations to him. He has done a lot when it comes to the music industry.
Definitely did.
Industry lately. Charting, doing good songs, not using expletives to chart. You know what I mean? But him actually do it the real dancehall style, the way I grew up and the dancehall music was done. And to see him not just being a person excelling in music, but also excelling in education.
Love that for
You
him.
have to actually applaud him because some people can't do both at once.
So
And-
them dunce.
and the fact remain is this. I'm telling you, say, yo, some people have eyes and cannot see. That man blind and he must see better than enough man.
Enough for them.
So big up to the youth that he might do him thing. Much respect.
Exactly.
Next topic.
Next topic. Armani Fiesta is #1 in Jamaica. Are you surprised? Because I'm not.
Alright, Armani. I'm not surprised.
See, I've been following Armani on TikTok, so I already seen the artist he was becoming.
No, we know Sam have good tune. But for see him come out with a hit song, I might have a lot to do with who's working with. First of all, DJ Mac has been one of the most prominent producers. I'm work with Valiant. I'm work with a lot of artists where you see I put out hit songs.
They need to work with TJ.
Yeah, kind of work with TJ or however it was. I don't know. But networking is key because him doing that form of networking with DJ Mac, producing a great song, that was a good look. And the song, tough. And it different.
Yes.
That's one of the thing about it. It's
Love
a
it.
different mood, different vibe. And me personally, hear the song almost everywhere.
Me hear it everywhere.
Yes, Mr. Big
Okay,
up.
I'm so tired of it. Me hear it everywhere.
And the man, fully booked.
Love it.
Yo, Mr. Flyers like crazy. Because remember, that's Trending Entertainment. We operate a page called Trending Events and we get flyers from all over. And one of the places where we get flyers from is Florida, New York, Atlanta, Connecticut. He's been to Connecticut already.
Yeah, he did.
And this dude is just getting fully booked, and it all goes to show that when you do good music and something with a difference comes great result. So that means Armani probably rich.
Ah, yeah, him have money.
That's a
Me know
good.
what rich. You think he's rich? Him have money.
Him have some good
Him
funds
have
that
some
come in.
funds. Him have some funds coming in.
Big up
Yeah.
yourself, Armani.
Big up yourself,
Talent over
Armani.
everything.
All right. So the next topic, it's gonna be a little down. You hear the new Batman song? Why?
So first of all, it's sad because a man sing. What's the lyrics basically?
Me see Batman song, I don't even listen to the song. Maybe honestly, I did not listen to it.
Um,
Cause me say nah.
and him actually do it like a dancehall vibe, and I think that's where I come from with the disconnect. Like for me, for you to bring your culture in your lifestyle and I endorse it as if you're a Jamaican,
Exactly.
that's where the disconnect come in. That's disrespectful.
Very.
So in my opinion, That last.
Fire by you on the song.
That's
Wait. Wait.
Burn him out.
Me not have a problem with Batman. Let me start off by saying this. Me not have a problem with it. But certain things, me just miss back in idea. You know what I mean? When I never so frisky and front.
A win
You know?
since man get so hype.
Yeah, like, when so front appearance now. Why?
Alright, me not have a problem with people's sexuality.
Yeah.
But me have a problem with Batman. Yeah, because if you're there in the public space and you display that, the only reason why I have a problem with it is if kids are around, they don't have a choice. They're already confused already as kids.
Yeah.
So if them see that type of behavior there, you already lead them down a path with no choice. It's confusion. Them see them mother and them father over there, so, and then they see two man right there. So them already are trying to go to three are the right way to go. So from that perspective, influencing the public space, that's where I have a problem with it. Whatever you want to do in your private space, I can't stop that. And I don't care about that. Frankly speaking, I won't even see it.
I feel
So
like
I can't
they're
complain
pushing
about it.
a lot though.
They have it in movies, they have it in almost so much different things. So at the end of the day, that song there get burn up. I mean, no say that now gonna play nowhere in a
No,
genre.
ain't not play no way. So you
So-
might as well put on a song.
Song.
The
Yeah,
song
yeah,
not
yeah, your
ready.
friend them.
Exactly. You and your Batman friend them. You can put on a
Yes,
song, man. That not ready. And then I'm not play.
Code.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this kind of intertwined with the Batman song. A little bit. Do you feel like men can be bisexual?
Where you get them question there?
You know, people asking these. Me go up on the gossip page and it, you know? And me kind of want to know too. Well, me know the answer for that. I have an answer for that. But, you know?
I think people can be anything they choose to be. Anything where you not allow cannot infiltrate your consciousness and your decision. I don't think someone naturally can be that. But if you decide that you want to be open to anything, then yes, anything can fall. But me not open to anything.
Me not believe some man can be bisexual. From you like money or Batman. I'm sorry.
Repeat that.
From you like money or Batman. For you mess with a money or Batman, I do not feel like, oh, I dabble in this and I dabble in that, so I'm no. Me just not believe in it. It's a word and people think it's a thing, but me personally, I don't believe in it.
That's a code.
Batman or Batman.
That's a code.
That's just how it is.
Alright.
Okay. So I saw this video on TikTok. Man, if you know Image Boss, but Image Boss played a prank on his girlfriend. He's Jamaican, by the way. He
Them
played,
always are the prank.
yeah, but this prank me feel like was a little loose. So what him do is him put on a G-string. Him go spot him girlfriend there and him drop some keys. And him lift off him shirt so she can't see the G-string and him bend over pick up the keys. And she see it. And everybody a bun him out. I feel like say, you see certain things when you see Yankee do as prank, you no need to do it too. We're gonna watch you know. I swear to God, we're gonna watch you know. We no need to do anything for views.
Alright, you're going. That bun up.
Of course. Yeah, Batty man.
There's alright. Man, the manly things. Woman, the womanly things.
Exactly.
If you are gonna put on a G-string or any form of panty and drop a key and pick it up in front of your woman and think that's funny, bro, all if she know me and know say me no mean it, me nah do it.
Exactly.
Because me rather do something different and prank her. Me say whole heap of even white niggas where the prank with them woman and some balloon and some ceiling them a bust and make it paint a splash pan her.
I love them.
Them the type of
I
prank
love
now
them.
wet up them woman or them a do some pizza prank or
Exactly.
some paint up thing. Why you gonna do anything where have to do with femininity and you're a man?
Exactly.
It make me feel like you're touch.
Yeah, touch,
Or
man.
something go on where you feel like this is okay. Let me tell you something I feel like I affect the youth them. Chronicle like said, the youth them weak and I recently me start notice. Chronicle never miss yet.
Jellybuck.
Oh, we're so weak for make the atmosphere affect with decision as men. We have to realize that we are still man in a bro.
Exactly.
So certain things just not fly. You have to remember, you have kids. Again, we are role model. Same thing we go for you. We just talk about if you are whatever in your sexuality. You have to remember, kids will see that and get confused and think that's okay. and you don't realize the impact what you just put on that kid life.
Exactly.
You have to remember again. Pablo YG said, bro, you see anything you did do? You see, if you did do that, it can't about, bro.
Oh my
You
god.
can't never did do that. That's what Pablo
Me no know when say.
the man say anything you did do, it can't about.
It can't
So
about.
remember, it might be a prank to you, but remember, it might be a spunk to another man
Exactly.
who want to spunk you. So be careful.
I wonder if man know G-string operate. You know that it will lamp on your body hole, right? It squeeze your body hole. You know that? Okay, me that's what I want to know.
At the end of the day, burn up.
Yeah.
None of them mark about burn up.
Yeah, fish.
Code. No, that not look good. Next.
Not at all. Okay. Spicy question. Which two dancehall artists you can say right now dating?
This is weird, but I can see Shensia with
Let's hear it.
there's two artists I can see her with.
Me want
I can see her date a Dexter Daps. Like one, and I can see her date a Massacre.
I can see her dating Massacre. Me don't know about no Dexter Daps.
And
we not gonna hurt my girl feelings like that. No.
yeah, I feel like if she and Massacre was supposed to date, it would be like a power couple vibe.
They should date.
But no disrespect, cause Massacre have him girlfriend, and
He does?
them pretty much, you know.
Oh, I thought
Locked
he was
in.
single.
No man, him locked in, him have him girl. And then your man say my girlfriend, but like flu. You see me? So yeah, big up Shensia, big up Massacre at the end of the day. I think they would be a good pair, a good couple.
I feel like they would be a great pair.
Yeah. Who you think?
450 and Vanessa Bling.
450 and Vanessa
Me
Bling.
likes them together. Yeah, I don't know. I think they're on a tour right now, and they look cute.
Big up 450 and Vanessa Bling. Hey guys, talking about them matching, you have to remember this. You just start about it last week, and everybody can date entertainer.
That's
But
true.
when two entertainer date, I guess it might be different because them and I see and feel.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe that can work.
I feel like it could work. They look cute together.
Big up Massacre, big up Shensia, big up Vanessa Bling, and big up 450 straight. Good.
Drift is now on Fortnite. Big up yourself, TJ.
I think Drift again has been one of the biggest songs of 2023. And I feel like Drift shows the show that when you do a song that is more acceptable to the world versus just a particular country or niche, when a song is worldly accepted, it gets in different places.
Yes.
So big up on that accomplishment.
I love that
think
for
that
him.
will bring awareness to our culture.
Yes.
And that will bring more credibility to the dancehall culture. So big up TJ, the up top boss, for doing such an impactful song to the point where them can say, yo, I want your song.
I want your song,
Pan this.
I love being Jamaican.
Code.
Me can't see myself I be nothing else. Oh my god.
That's a code. We are one of the most, them say, we little but we,
Talawa.
and we are impactful
Yes.
because of that.
And we are the Beyonce of the Caribbean.
Well, we know about Beyonce. I guess that's for the
We're the
female.
Shensia of the Caribbean.
We are the culture of the Caribbean.
Yes.
We represent all Jamaicans and everyone Caribbean, because when they talk about the Caribbean, two of the number one places are going to be Trinidad or Jamaica or Trinidad. So you don't know. Big up all of the rest of the Caribbean, St. Kitts,
Big up
St.
on
Lucia,
yourself,
and the rest of it, because together we are
We are
one.
the Caribbean, yes.
That is
Even
it.
though we're a big deal and everything else aside other
That
and
are
small
cool.
fries.
See you guys next week. This is That's Trending. This is Brooke Valentine, the one and only Brooke Valentine.
One only.
Zine.
Shensia's number one fan.
Code. See you guys next week.